Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to start trading on Delta Exchange app. Delta Exchange is a cryptocurrency derivatives trading platform that allows users to trade digital assets like Bitcoin and Ethereum through futures and options contracts. The Delta Exchange app makes it easier for the traders to monitor the marketplace orders and manage their positions directly from their phone. Open your Delta Exchange app on your device and make sure to open with a registered email and password and complete two-factor authentication if enabled. So what you can do is on the bottom right we can find this portfolio. Select this portfolio here and go under this balances. Under this balance, you need to deposit funds to your account. Before you can start trading, you need to deposit cryptocurrency into your account. Tap on the deposit or buy and you need to choose the cryptocurrency you want to deposit, for example USDT or BTC, and copy the deposit wallet address and send funds from your external wallet, and the blockchain confirms the transaction. And you can also go to this trade on the bottom. Over here you can also buy or trade the market section in the app. Tap on the buy or long and here you see the list of trading pairs such as BTC, USDT, and you can also analyze the market. You can find this price chart showing the market movement, and if you want to buy long, if you expect the price to increase, you can tap short just beside it if you expect the price to decrease, and once order is confirmed your position will appear in the position section. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.